as it turns out, the inside diameter of those pens are exactly the same all the way through. I guess they're extruded. But anyway, this is the Paper Army tank. It's got a particle beam weapon, and it has long and short range missile racks. There is 3 missiles, 9 of them per side. Very cool build, this. And someday I hope to be able to play Warhammer. Man. No. Oh well. So, y'all might like, The Walking Dead. This is Michonne's katana. Made out of paper. And Negan's bat, Lucille. That barbed wire was so sharp it cut me 6 times making it, so I put it in plastic so nobody get hurt. All right, Rocket, take care. Thanks for stopping, Rocket. Might like Doctor Who. You can build all kinds of stuff from Doctor Who. Oh, well, that's cool. Yeah, the California Distribution Center. Nice. Yeah. The mail is not very fast like it used to be. Oh, Negan's bat is very cool. I liked making those. I think I made 10 of them. They're all over the world now. How did they get what? They were purchased on our website, and I shipped them all over the world. And by the way, we are changing websites so that people can buy my stuff. I get asked about it a lot. Well, I don't know if you've asked before or not. I don't remember that comment. But I have no skeletons or skulls or anything. I've always wanted a crystal skull from the Yucatan Peninsula, but I can't afford to get one of those. That's millions of dollars if you're lucky enough to even find one for sale. No, it's at the end of the show. It usually happens. No, I've never made any helmets of any kind. Star Wars, Darth Vader, Iron Man, none of that stuff. And the reason being is because I have a friend over on TikTok. Her name is the Foam Witch. And she actually makes helmets and stuff. And I do not. Oop, Pepsi burp. Just a second, I gotta chase that. Woohoo! Yes, the coffee mugs are. You have to go to Teespring to find them. I don't know. Uh, you have to check out. Wait, what? Okay. Thank you all for coming to the phone show, and thank you very much for sharing me with others. All right, Shooter. Take care. Nice to see you. Welcome back to the show. I hope to see you tomorrow for TGIF, guys. Thank God it's Friday. Okay, now I like the shape of these, so I'm not going to mess with them anymore. Those are shaped properly. All I got to do now is paint them. I think I'm going to paint them chrome. That's a good idea. I can do that right now. They're black. These are black in everything that I've seen. I'm not going to do that. Hey, everybody, you have to listen to my mods. Okay, they know about me. They've been with me for years, literally. And so please pay attention to my mods. The website has not been finished being constructed yet. But don't worry, we'll have that figured out probably by next week. And everybody, if you want to be able to get to our Discord site, if you get a bronze, silver, or gold membership, you can then be eligible to go to our Discord site and be able to post pictures of what you make. And it doesn't matter if you make cars, motorcycles, knitting. Doesn't matter what it is, you can post pictures there. And everybody on Discord can see it. And so, thank you all for joining the phone show. I appreciate you all very much. And I love you all. You're fantastic human beings. Thank you for spreading the power of positive word, because this world needs to have more positive words in it. Because right now, there's a lot of hate and anger. It needs to stop. We need to get to be better human beings. We can be. We're smart enough. We just need to start doing that now. And there, chrome tusks. All right. Wait. Uh-huh. Oh, yeah? Cheers, Eddie. Yes. AKA Cornholio. Well, thank you very much. I'm about 20 times that. If you talk to Eddie about it, I rode my T-Rex to Kmart back in the day. Yes, I did. That's because I told him. And in case y'all want to know, Eddie's side job is cornholio. All right, everybody. We're winding down. There's not a lot of the show left. I'm building a monster truck. Well, I suppose I could do that. Okay. I'm not getting a lot built. That sucks. Thank you guys for sharing everything, for sharing me with others. Thank you very much. Okay, so this is going back here. This is where the gauze gun is going to be mounted. But I have to build this so that I see little foot pads down in there for the guy to lock his feet in place. Because he doesn't need to get thrown around when this thing's jumping and he's shooting. That means, let's see. Okay. That's cool. Yeah. Awesome sauce. Yeah. Moses, he be my homie. 20 minutes to show left, you guys, and I'm almost done with my Pepsi.